बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल क्वालिफाई एजुकेशन एकेडमी। जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि लेक्चर एजुकेशन के पेपर में सिर्फ 2 दिन बाकी हैं और इस तैयारी के हवाले से कैप्सूल एजुकेशन की बुक जो है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। आज हम इस बुक के 3rd चैप्टर का 2nd पार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। इस चैप्टर में बहुत सा इंफॉर्मेटिव मटेरियल जो है वो कवर किया गया है, तो आप इस चैप्टर के किसी भी पार्ट को मिस मत कीजिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपनी आज की वीडियो। लेकिन इससे पहले अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि हमारी वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की अपनी वीडियो। Which of the following institutions established by Sir Sayyid turned into an educational movement? Aligarh College. When the Hindus accepted English education, they got government services, overtook Muslim financially, got closer to the British government. Council of Education was constituted in 1842. Which of the following announcements was made by Lord Hardinge in 1844? Government services will be given to the graduates of government educational institutions. Which of the following dangers was realized by the Muslims of India? Westernism, secularism, fall of moralities. Till 1857, the number of Muslims graduate out of 846 graduates of Madras, Mumbai and Calcutta University were 17. In Hindu College, Calcutta, the engineering classes started in 1844. The Banaras University was established in 1915. By means of education in India, the British connected the government service with English education, strived for the promotion of Christianity, promoted Hindus as compared to the Muslims. Which of the following trend is found in Wood Dispatch? Supremacy of Western sciences, opposition of the Arabic language, opposition of Sanskrit. Which of the following was proposed in Wood Dispatch? Department of Education will be established in each province. No religious education will be imparted in government schools. New universities will be set up on the pattern of University of London. In Wood Dispatch, it was proposed that financial aid would be given to the educational institution who would provide secular education, who would adopt English as the medium of instruction, who would allow to inspect. The division of Bengal took place in 1905. Due to grant in aid, Department of Education took control of private schools. Department of Education took control of private colleges. Government deepened its grip over the educational affairs. Indian Education Commission 1882 was constituted under the headship of William Hunter. Which of the following universities was established in 1887? Allahabad University. It was proposed in the resolution 1905 that mother tongue should be taught as compulsory subject. The minimum age limit for instruction of English should be 17 years. The secondary education should be reconstructed on stable grounds. Sadler Commission was formed in 1916. Which of the following was proposed in the Sadler Commission? Degree course should consist of 3 years. Regional languages should be the medium of instruction at secondary. English should be the medium of instruction only at the university level. Engineering College, Calcutta was established in 1856. Which of the following was proposed in Sadler Commission? University control over secondary and higher secondary education should be abolished. Who was the first head of Darul Uloom Deoband? Muhammad Yaqub. In 1909, Department of Education was established following after separation of educational affairs from the Interior Department. In 1862-62, what was the proportion of the Muslim students in English schools? 10%. In 1901, the first All India Educational Conference was held at Shimla. Women University Patna was established in 1910. During the Muslim rule in India, education was free and common. The educational institutions were financially autonomous. The educational institutions were no under the state influence academically. Public Instruction Committee was constituted in 1823. In India, the designation of Director General of Education was constituted in 1901. Who developed the curriculum of Darse Nizami? Mullah Nizamuddin. When the pattern of curriculum which is being followed today in our universities was proposed by the Calcutta University Commission in 1919, when the new syllabi were introduced in Pakistan for the first time 1961, at which level diversification of curriculum was undertaken, secondary school level, in which year Pakistan government entrusted the responsibility of the revision of curricula of BA, BSc and MA, MSc level courses to the University Grant Commission and National Academy of Higher Education 1976. The UGC, ये एब्रीवेशन यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रांट कमीशन के लिए है, has started in service pre-service training program for teachers. Maktab and madrasa education system was formulated by the Muslims. The curriculum developed by the Muslims used to be taught in the Western universities till the 16th century. Almighty Allah commanded education and knowledge. First revelation of the Hira mountain. Who said man is forced to learn? Ibn Khaldun. Avicenna book Al-Shifa consists of 18 volumes. Avicenna has divided knowledge into three broad categories. According to Ibn Khaldun, the curriculum should be in harmony with students' needs. The approach of a student is raw and immature in the beginning. The curriculum should be integrated and comprehensive. According to Ibn Khaldun, the fountainhead of revealed knowledge is Quran. Which of the following is not a rational knowledge according to Ibn Khaldun? Hadith. According to Avicenna, the advanced science have no concern with matter. Who holds that sixth sense is a superior form of intellect? Avicenna. Before the arrival of the Muslims in the subcontinent, who had the right to get education? Brahmins. In the class system of Hinduism, which of the following class is considered inferior? Shudras. Before the arrival of the Muslims, the subcontinent was drowned in darkness, was divided into social classes, was educationally monopolized by the Brahmins. The graduated of the education system of the Muslims in the subcontinent used to adopt a profession according to their ability, used to be offered to see the seat of a justice, used to adopt teaching profession. The first period of higher education to the education system of the Muslims in the subcontinent ranges from the beginning of the education system to the age of Akbar. The first period of higher education of the Muslims in the subcontinent, almost of 200 years. Fateh Allah Shirazi was associated with court of the King Akbar. In the education system of the Muslims in the subcontinent, the Mukhta method was introduced in the elementary level of education. The academicians and learned teachers were independent in the curriculum development, in the selection of methods of teaching, in the selection of a particular way of evaluation. The Muslim scholars and rulers of the subcontinent were acquainted with the universal concept of knowledge, were keenly interested in the promotion of education in the education system of the Muslims. Religious education is the focus of the educative process. The concept of universalism in education is given importance. The all-round development of the students is seriously considered. In the Islamic system of education, personality development is given priority. Good manners are brought about in the students. Steps for balanced development are taken up. Which of the following is the aim of education? Establishment of the supremacy of Allah, utilization of natural abilities in the welfare of humanity, destiny of economic self-sufficiency, the need for knowing the curious aspect of the self gave birth to psychology. This word is curious, C-U-R-I-O-U-S, curious aspects of the self gave birth to psychology. Which of the following is the focus of curriculum in Islamic madaris, education institutions? Quran. In the Muslim elementary school curriculum of the subcontinent, the 3 R's, reading, writing, arithmetic, were included. The fundamental principles were included. Elementary mathematics was included. The medium of instruction in Maktab elementary school was Persian. The medium of secondary education in the Islamic schools of subcontinent was Persian. Which of the following subjects were included in the curriculum of secondary education of the Muslims in the subcontinent? Mathematics and history, mathematics, history and ethics, mathematics, history and jurisprudence. In the subcontinent, the higher education curriculum consisted Arabic language, literature and Quranic explanation. Arabic language, literature, Quranic explanation and hadith. Arabic language, hadith, literature, Quranic explanation and philosophy. Which of the following languages was the medium of instruction in the higher education of the Muslims of the subcontinent? Arabic. The educational instruction of the Muslims in the subcontinent, there was no sign of centralization, there were no hard admission criteria, there was no age limit for admission. Following taking over the rule of India, the British abolished the local system of education, introduced English as a medium of instruction, introduced co-education trend. Which of the following is essential for the economic and social development? Universal primary education, social justice. Existence of stable social institutions. By means of a particular system of education, the British had the desire to promote the Western sciences, develop a particular state of mind, promote the English language. The age of the Emperor Akbar was the age of religious freedom. Fatehullah Shirazi was awarded the title of Azadul Mulk on the basis of his academic superiority. The curriculum, namely Dars-e-Nizami, was developed by Mullah Nizamuddin Sahalvi. Which of the following principles of curriculum development was adopted by Mullah Nizamuddin Sahalvi? Difficult books on various academic disciplines should be studied. Dars-e-Nizami was launched in the age of Emperor Humayun. In the curricular contents of Dars-e-Nizami, lesser attention is paid to Quran and Hadith. The curriculum of Dars-e-Nizami is not dynamic, cannot cater for the changing needs, develops the intellect of the students. In the curriculum of Dars-e-Nizami, history and geography were not included. Many books on grammar were included. Lesser attention was paid on Quran and Hadith as compared to philosophy. In the Bismillah ceremony of the Muslim children of the subcontinent, the teacher would teach Bismillah in the presence of the relatives of the child, Surah Alaq in the presence of the relatives of the child, Surah Fatiha in the presence of relatives of the child. Which of the following kings introduced reading and writing simultaneously during his rule? Akbar. In the discussion method of teaching, the teacher is fully prepared for teaching. The students are not just silent listeners. The students fully participate in the instructional process. In the monitorial system, an increase is observed in the abilities of the higher level students. The teacher can easily perform his duties. A student repeats the lesson loudly. In the education system of the Muslims in the subcontinent, the minimum duration for passing a particular level of education was not fixed. During rule of Muhammad Adil Shah, annual examination used to be conducted in the month of Zilhajj. Following steps were taken for the promotion of the education during the Ghaznavi period: establishment of new educational institutions, reform in curriculum, preaching of Islamic beliefs and values. Jalaluddin Khilji was the real founder of the Khilji dynasty, and price control system of Alauddin Khilji was ever famous. They also worked for the promotion of education by establishment of a grand educational institution in Delhi, construction of libraries, regular pay structure for the teachers. Muhammad bin Tughlaq reformed the education system through castration of new educational institution, great respect for the scholars and teachers, establishment of Jamia Firoz Shahi. Behlul Lodi found the city of Agra, which proved itself as a center of learning in future. During the Mughal period, the curriculum comprised the following subjects: language, Arabic, Persian, Hindi, Turkish, Sanskrit, etc., Quran, Hadith, jurisprudence and mathematics. Allama Iqbal served as professor of philosophy in Lahore at Government College, Lahore. Education is a process through which a society transmits its collected excellence to the next generation. Education always depends on what life philosophy of a society. The process of education ranges from birth to death. What is constructivism? Learning theory. Through the process of educational evaluation, the educationist rearrange instructional content and methods of teaching. What is the first phase of Jean Piaget's theoretical research program? The sociological model of development. What is the second phase of Jane Piaget's theoretical search program? The biological model of intellectual development. What is the third phase of Jane Piaget's theoretical research program? The elaboration of the logical model of intellectual development. What is the fourth phase of Jane Piaget's theoretical research program? The study of figurative thought. Education should safeguard the social values, transmit culture to the next generation, and train the individuals. The practical aspect of the ideology of society in education. The standard of everything is decided on the basis of quantitative and qualitative measurement. What is the solution of all the problems according to capitalistic class? Wealth. Which class responsible for the inequality in the field of education? High class. In Pakistan society raised for materialism, education is losing its quality. Which factor is necessary to eradicate changes in the social infrastructure, illiteracy, poverty, biases? According to the recommendations of UNESCO, the underdeveloping countries should allocate 4% of the GDP for education. According to UNESCO, literacy means to read, write, and describe at least a paragraph in any language. Which factor is affected due to the low literacy rate of the country? Political, economic, and social development. Which factor is affecting of number of literacy individuals? Speedy growth in population. Education in Pakistan is given in two languages, English and Urdu. Definition of education: human growth through experiences. The main aim of education is getting skills and knowledge. According to John Dewey, education is a learning by doing. The purpose of educational history is development of new generation. Education is derived from the Latin word educare, which means to bring up. The important element of non-formal education is media. The system of education is based on ideology of nation. Education Conference 1947 was held at Karachi. National Education Commission 1959 was presided by S.M. Sharif. According to National Education Commission 1959, the objectives of education were development of individual, development of spiritual values, ideology of Pakistan. The textbook board was established under National Education Commission 1959. Lord Macaulay education system was introduced in 1832. The second period of the British education system ranges from 1813 to 1854. The stress of National Education Policy 1978 was on Islamic values and ideology of Pakistan. Private educational institutions were nationalized under National Education Policy 1970. The graduates of Islamic madrasas were able to got government services under the education policy of 1979. Computer education in educational institution was introduced in the education policy 1992. The main objective of all the educational policies of Pakistan is the Islamic ideology. In his message to Educational Conference, Quaid-e-Azam addressed, "We should change our education system with changing conditions." Elements of educational processes are conservative, critical, creative. Who is the father of common school? Horace Mann. Secondary education is divided into two cycles. The process of education ranges from life philosophy of society. For its survival, every society manages education well. Education enables the individual to establish world peace, lead the world, work for progress. The cultural needs can be fulfilled by means of professional education, which is transmitted through the education, facts, civilization, and information. Metaphysics deals with reality. Existentialist method focus on individual. Whose stress is on child-centered method of teaching? The naturalists. The individuality of man is supreme. Who is Plato? Student of Socrates and writer of philosophy. What is the common thing in philosophy and religion? Morality and wisdom. Progressivism means the mode of thought. Good educational environment means educational tasks. The bench of philosophy discuss the issues relating to art and beauty is aesthetics. What do you mean by skepticism? It asks a question whether this knowledge is possible or not. What does philosophy means? Love for wisdom. Plato's educational philosophy was grounded in his vision of the ideal republic. Who said the following words? Philosophy is the name of truth-seeking. Socrates. The nature of reality for existentialists, subjective. What is the main purpose of educational administrator? To promote human qualities. What is the main duty of human resource management? To maintain record for the employees, recruitment, selection, and placement. Democratic administration goes back to 5000 BC. Boss is always right is a feature of authoritative administrator. Always respect the opinion is form of democratic administration, selecting one action among the various actions, decision making. The father of operational management theory is Henry Fayol. Authoritarian model is more suitable for performance. The level of school management can best be judged through learning outcomes. School management committee were established in 1994. Correct answer is 1994. School management committee was renamed as school council. Chairperson of school council is head teacher, which is not a modern supervision, formal supervision. Who is the founder of bureaucratic management? Max Weber. Who is the founder of administrative management? Henry Fayol and Chester Barnard. BM stands for budget manual. All grants, government grants and expenditure are registered in cash register. ACR means annual confidential report. The cash book is maintained by DDO. E&D rules means efficiency and discipline rules. The teacher is considered in the world as change agent. The most important tool for school is timetable. Effective school environment is most affected by friendly environment. आज तक के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्द। तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।